style like a dancer's dream. Die.
What if I told you everything you just saw, the lion chasing the safari jeep, the glowing beauty ad, the 3D cafe animation, was 100% created by AI? No camera, no actors, no studio. Sounds unreal, right? Well, let me show you how it's actually possible. Hey, beautiful soul. It's your girl, Mavumbi, and today I'm going to show you how I created all of that using a tool called Hailuo AI, one of the newest and most powerful text-to-video AI platforms out right now. Hailuo AI lets you turn your ideas, or even just a single image, into full cinematic video scenes in seconds. It's perfect for storytellers, filmmakers, marketers, or anyone who wants to bring imagination to life with AI. The interface is super clean and easy to use. You just type your prompt, adjust your settings, and let the AI handle the rest. Let me show you what I've created with it so far. This one, the lion chase, was made from one single prompt. Look at the detail. The lighting, the camera shake, the emotion, that's pure cinematic energy. You can control the camera movement, duration, lighting style, and even the render quality. It's like having your own mini film studio, powered by AI. All right, let's go step by step so you can try it yourself. All right, let's go step by step so you can try it yourself. Go to Hailuo AI. I've dropped the link down below in the description. Sign in or create a free account.
Okay, so this is Hailuo AI. Now, once you click the link, I give down below this video description below. Click that link, you can go and sign up with them, and this is going to be your home page. This is Hailuo AI. We can create good stuff here with this AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video and image. Right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing first, I want you to know how can you create prompt, how can you set your prompt to get a better video or better image. So come here, click this one here. So here, all the information. Okay, all the information, how to set your prompt, everything. For example, like here, come here, Hailuo AI text to video tutorial. So once you come here, you're going to see what's the basic stuff you need to do, how to create your prompt to get the best of these tools. So for example, like here, basic prompt format, you need to start with main subject, scene, and motion. So all this good stuff is good to come and have a look and to see how we can get good out of this AI. Now let's go back to the main page. So this is our main page here. So once we're here, we come here. There's a two-way. I'm going to show you video or image. So let's start with video. Okay. So once you click video, this is going to be your creating place. You can here. There's image to video or text to video. So in this video, I'm going to show you text to video. So here you're going to paste your prompt, right? So I already got the prompt, what I want to create with this AI. Once you finish here, you can come down here, you can choose model. Here you can choose Hailuo 2.5. This is new, by the way, and I'm going to show you this one, 2.3 or 2.1. I'm going to show all these are good, all of them. Hailuo 2.2 or this one as well, Hailuo 1.0. So in this video, I'm going to show you first 2.3. Okay, so you choose that one here, and once you come here, you can choose duration, resolution. You can choose this one or 10:8, or you can choose 6 or 10 second or 6 second. Once you finish there, everything you're happy with this, here you can put your prompt. Once you put your prompt here, you can choose, it's up to you. You can choose the camera here. You see this camera here, you can direct your creation. If you want freedom, you can choose whatever you want here. All this is up to you. Okay, and once you're happy with everything, click here, create, and it's going to start to create your video. So here, just give few minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you the result for this video.
Yo, that was absolutely insane. The realism in that scene blew me away. The lighting, the dust, the lion's mane moving with the wind, it looks straight out of a real National Geographic documentary mixed with a Hollywood movie trailer. The way the camera shook as the Jeep sped through the savanna, it actually gave me that real chase feeling. And did you see the reflection of the sun in the lion's eyes? That's serious attention to detail. Hailuo AI handled motion, depth, and texture like a professional film engine. It's wild how you can get that kind of cinematic energy from just one prompt. This honestly looks like something you'd see in a movie trailer, and it's completely AI generated. Let me know in the comments, should I make this into a full mini movie next? Because I think Hailuo AI is ready for that challenge.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do image to video. This is image to video. So this is going to be your place here. So here you can upload your image. So come here, click upload. Let's find a video here. Let's use this video here. Okay, so this is the video here. Couple sitting in the cafe and having a cup of tea, and while they're talking. So here now I'm going to add a prompt, right, to show what do I want this couple to do. Okay, so let me go my prompt here. Okay, so here I'm coming to paste here. This is my prompt here, and once I finish, I'm going to click create. It's going to start to create the video for me. So let's give a few minutes and you see how it goes. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look. Okay, let's play the video. This is the video. Okay, so once you finish this is the video here. Once you finish this, you can come here, see here, download. Okay, so here you download this video here, and you can come here as well, you can download this one. Okay, and I want to show you one thing. Let me show you one thing again. You see this one image here, you can create image, you can generate image. So let's take the same image here. I want you can generate this image here. So come here, I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to click generate. Here you can choose 16 by, and you're going to click generate. They're going to generate 4 images for us. Okay, so this is the image as well. Okay, so this is the image. So this image you can animate as well. You see here, video it. So I'm going to click this one.
So there you go. That's how I created all those cinematic clips you saw at the start using Hailuo AI. If you want to try it out, the link is right below in the description. Before we wrap up, I just want to say a huge thank you to the Hailuo AI team for giving me early access to this amazing tool. I had so much fun creating this video, from the lion chase trailer to the cinematic test scenes. And honestly, this is just the beginning. I'll be using Hailuo AI to make even more videos, including children's educational stories and tutorials to help you start your own faceless YouTube channel, get monetized, and start building passive income using AI. So if that sounds like something you want to learn, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications because I've got a lot more coming your way. And if you want my exact AI prompts, tutorials, and full courses, they're all available on my Gumroad store. Also, don't forget to join my WhatsApp group to learn more, share ideas, and grow with other AI creators. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you want me to test another AI tool, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative and keep building with AI.